This reel was made from a real World Cup match context, a real website screenshot, real sound effects, real background music, CLAUDE, and one reusable instruction file. So it turns a trend into an actual business reel, not just a list of content ideas. I'm going to show you the file behind it, then I will test it completely on a different business so you can see that this is not just a cleaning company example. So let me show you the reel, and after that I will show you how we proceed. First. Okay, this was the reel, and as you can see, all of the effects and sounds and whoosh and clicks and etc. and the screenshot in the beginning from the match is taken from the news site, and it is completely automatic with the agent that we will create today with one single instruction file. So let's jump straight to CLAUDE, and I'm going to show you how we're going to use it for a different business, so we will see what it's going to produce. So I have created a new folder which is I named @agent, and now in this folder I'm gonna throw CLAUDE.md instructions files, which file, if you're using Codex, you can just rename it to agents.md, and you can copy into your folder and use it with Codex as well and other agents. So let me go and grab it. The file is gonna be completely for free, so you can download it from the link in the description from the free community. I am opening the @agent folder, and I'm just pasting the file there. So we have our instructions now ready to use. So what else you're gonna need? You're gonna need HyperFrames for this system to work, but in the instructions of the agent, it straight away tells that it must install HyperFrames, so you just have to follow the steps and it will install it. I have it installed on my PC, so it's gonna straight away use it. So I have created a imaginary pub, so a different business for our case, which will be the Lantern Loom. I have just created it here in ChatGPT, so I can copy the logo and the brand typography and color palette. So we can have these specifications for the business. These are gonna be your business logo and your business typography and color palette, and some business description. So what does it do and etc. If you don't have these, the agent will interview you in order to gather up all the information that it will need before producing some kind of advertising reels. So let me save these into the same folder. I'm just gonna copy the logo, paste it here. I will copy the color palette as well and paste it in CLAUDE. And I will copy the specifications of the pub and paste them as well here. And I will just say, these are my logos of the pub, brand palette, and all of the specifications about my business. Save them into our folder, and I will send it so it can save the images and the specifications of our business. So you have to do the same thing with your one, so it can know all of the context and everything about your business. And what is the point here? So in the reel that I've showed you, the hook is the World Cup. So the business problem is the office cleaning after the watch party. So you can use trends like World Cup, Super Bowl, or whatever events are happening in your country or in the world, for example, in order to hook people in your content and bring them to your business. The whole idea is to use the trend that people already care about, then connect it to the real business problem that they will have, for example, or the benefit that they can get from your business. Because most businesses are handling trends really bad. They ignore the trend, they post something random and cringe, or they make content that has nothing to do with their actual business. I've seen it a lot of times. People with businesses are just posting some stories from the seaside that they went for a coffee or something. So the thing is that the opportunity is not the football now, but the opportunity is the attention that you can get by using the trends. So now we have our instructions into our agent folder. It will turn CLAUDE into trend to real agent now for your business. It will ask for a minimum business details that we already put here. You have to put your one. It will research or verify a trend that either you will mention or it will research, for example. It will create 3 angles. You will choose the strongest one and it will plan the reel that it will create. Then it give the HyperFrames instructions that can be used, and it will write the captions that you can publish after that into your socials. And the file that instructions that we are using here is not only for the World Cup. It can work with local events, AI news, seasonal trends, product launches, property updates, fitness trends, restaurant events, or almost anything people are already watching. It is domain agnostic. It doesn't matter. You can use it in whatever business you are already. Let's give it the first trend that we want to write and start the trend to real workflow. As you can see, tell me your first trend you want to write and to see. Okay, we're gonna use again the World Cup. So let's see what it's gonna do. And the important rule is simple. The real parts must be real. So there have to be some screenshots, for example, from the web pages and etc. So let's see, allow CLAUDE to search England World Cup and etc. Okay, always allow. Let's straight away use bypass permissions. So it can have permissions to use all of the functions and everything. And then the thing is that the CLAUDE is not gonna pretend or do something not real, and it will go and download real sound effects, real music, for example, background music, and this will make the final reel feel like something a business could post. Okay, now as you can see, the trend is selected, FIFA World Cup 2026. And England's first knockout match, it's Wednesday, 1st July, 5 p.m. Okay, why this works for the business? Straight away it is telling audience emotion, pride, urgency, England's are tough, where am I watching the knockouts, business connection, timing, everything is real, chosen real angle, I built 3, then pick the winner. Okay, serious, useful, creative and fun. For the sake of this video, I can tell it to create all 3 reels. So we can choose after that, and you can tell in the comments which one do you like the most. It's telling you straight away the scene plan that it will create, assets needed, logo, pop photos. It is putting some scene data that we don't need. Okay, captions are here. Hashtags, posting checklist, everything is good. So drop any real pop photos into brand. Okay, let's generate some pop photo and we will put straight away. Okay, this is the image. It has generated it, so I'm just gonna copy the image and paste it here. And I will tell it, okay, this is the real pub image, and all of the rest of the assets that you will need, just go and grab them from the web. You can use real screenshots from real websites and etc. Whatever you need from now on, you can get from the web. And we will send it. Oh, and let me tell it to generate all 3 reels. And it will install all of the dependencies that it will need in your PC. So once it's create the reels now, I'm gonna come back and show them to you. So we will see and we will be able to choose which one from these 3 suggested reels are gonna be the best one. So the serious one, creative one, or fun one. If it's asking you, for example, how should it use sound effects and music and etc., you can just tell it to download free tracks from the web. I just answered this. I download free tracks. That's it. I saw that the CLAUDE hasn't been able to take the photo of the pub that I have put to it. It didn't use it here. So what I'm gonna do, and the logo is not the right one, I think. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna save these images from ChatGPT into the brand folder, and you have to rename them pop photo, for example. I will put the logo as well, save the logo image and rename it as logo, so CLAUDE can know exactly which image is what. So brand palette, And that's it. And now I'm gonna tell Claude pop photo is already now in the brand assets, and the logo of the pop and color palettes and etc. are there as well, so it can use them in our reels. Let's see the reel that it has created now without the logos and stuff. Okay, the colors are good, reel looks good, but these sound effects and etc. are not that good, and there is no music in behind, so I'm gonna tell it to include them as well. And after that we'll check them in their ready format, so we'll choose the best one. Okay, our all 3 reels are done now, so let's check them and tell me in the comments which one do you like most. So the first one is the heritage one. Let's see.
Three, two, one.
Go left! Go left!
Okay, we have the sound effects, we have the logo, the pop, everything is good. I like this one. Let's see that.
Three, two, one.
Go left! Go left!
Okay, this one is good as well. This one's hooks is good because it's starting straight away with the pop image. And let's see the last one.
Three, two, one.
Okay, in my opinion, the first one and last one are the better, but the last one is best for me because it started with this hook and then it is building up the story. So straight away it is showing the results and etc. And I really like that it's showing the craft points. Every goal is gonna be loud and stuff, and the logo and DM is centered. So, and as you can see, all of them have a really different background musics. And now once you have created this type of reels, all of the sound effects and musics are already in there. From now on it will be able to use them in future reels as well. And here you can see that you can tweak them, you can make them quicker and etc. Anyway, if you don't want to make them quicker, you can just tell it, okay, I will publish all 3 of them, just write me captions for them so I can publish them, please. So this will be the finishing part because it's going to use hashtags, and it will use Instagram captions, for example, to send where to watch the England World Cup and etc. Because I have told that the pub is in London, this is why it's used in England. And that's it. This is how you can get your advertising agent ready on your laptop. So from now on you don't have to pay, for example, some marketing agencies to create your bookings, your reels for your Instagram and etc. You can just say, for example, what are the next week's news or the last week news, it depending on your business, and this agent can help you to create your content to bring you more clients and more followers to your Instagram page, for example. This is not just a World Cup trick. If you are a pub, you can make a match night booking reels. If you are a cleaning company, you can make after event cleaning reels. If you are a gym, for example, you can make much energy fitness reels. If you are a cafe, you can make a local event offer reels. If you are a real estate agent, you can make local city event reels. If you are a creator, for example, you can turn whatever people are already watching into daily explainers. The sky is the limit with this agent. You can use it however you want. And if you want the exact Claude instructions files, you can just go to the free community and find the video that you are watching right now, the title of the video. Once you click, you're gonna see the file just next to the video, so you can download it for free. And if you want to build bigger AI business agents that help you with content, offers, follow-up pages, and growth in order to make more money, this is what we built inside Mura AI Academy. You can join it from the link below as well. This is gonna be it for this video. Hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Thank you.